Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm going to show you how to make Ibos, a delicious Filipino delicacy that's perfect for any occasion. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First up, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need glutinous rice, coconut milk, sugar, banana leaves, and some strings or kitchen twine. Got everything? Great! Step 1. Wash the glutinous rice thoroughly. Make sure to rinse it a few times until the water runs clear. Then soak the rice in water for about an hour. This helps soften the rice and makes it easier to cook. While the rice is soaking, let's prepare the banana leaves. Cut them into manageable pieces about 10 inches wide, and then wilt them by passing them over an open flame or dipping them in hot water. This makes the leaves more pliable and easier to work with. Next, drain the soaked rice and mix it with coconut milk and sugar in a large bowl. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined. Now take a piece of banana leaf and place a portion of the rice mixture in the center. Fold the leaf over the rice, then roll it tightly into a cylinder. Secure both ends with a string or kitchen twine. Repeat this process until you've used up all the rice mixture. Time to cook. Place the wrapped rice cylinders in a large pot, cover them with water, and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about an hour. Check occasionally to make sure the water hasn't dried up. If needed, add more water to keep them submerged. After an hour, carefully remove the Ibos from the pot and let them cool down a bit. And there you have it. Your homemade Ibos is ready to enjoy. Unwrap them and indulge in this sweet, sticky treat. Thanks for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.